children. We welcome you to the English program today. My friend Latika is helping me to conduct the program today. So, hello Latika, how are you?
I'm very well. How are you, Miss?
Thank you, I'm fine. Okay, children, let us move to the first activity today. Word search. We'll see what are the words that you have to search in this activity. Yes, Latika, can you read the words?
Yes. Plasters, milk toffees, pancakes, Dettol, mango juice, cotton wool, bananas, injections, cakes, Panadol.
Yes, we'll see where are the places that we can find these nouns. A hospital and a canteen. Yes, Latika, what we can find in a hospital according to this word search?
We can find plasters in hospital and Panadols as well as injections and cotton wool can be found in a hospital.
Right. In a canteen.
We can find pancakes, milk toffees, mango juice, bananas and cakes.
Yes. In a hospital, we can find Panadol, Dettol, plasters, injections and cotton wool. Am I right, Latika?
Of course, you are correct.
Yes. And in a canteen, pancakes, cakes, milk toffees, bananas and mango juice. Let's move on to the next slide. Match the phrases given in the box with the pictures. Can you read the pictures, Latika?
Yes. We have a library, a post office, a hospital, laboratory and a playground.
Yes. A library, post office, hospital, laboratory and a playground. Here are the phrases. We'll see what are the phrases that we can match with the places. Yes, in a library, Latika?
In a library, we can find reference only,
Yes. In a post office?
stamp counter,
In a hospital?
intensive care unit
Yes.
or ICU.
In a playground?
Keep off the grass,
In a laboratory?
silence please.
Yes. These are the phrases that we can find in these places. In a library, reference only, post office, stamp counter, hospital, intensive care unit, laboratory, silence please, playground, keep off the grass. Let's move on to the next slide. Choose the correct response from column B. Column A, I want to send an email. Can I send this parcel? I want to send a telegram. How much for this airmail? I want a sheet of stamps. Can you read the column B, Latika?
Yes, column B, please go to the stamp counter. Please fill in this form. Please go to the computer operator. Yes, I have to wait. It's 200 rupees.
Okay, let's choose the correct responses. I want to send an email.
Please go to the computer operator.
Can I send this parcel?
Yes, I have to weigh it.
I want to send a telegram.
Please fill in this form.
How much for this airmail?
It's 200 rupees.
I want a sheet of stamps.
Please go to the stamp counter.
Okay, let's move on to the next slide. Find the correct response. Again. How much is a cup of tea? Can I have 2 tea buns? Are there any cool drinks? Can I order a packet of lunch? Can you read the responses, Latika?
Sorry, we have only egg buns. It's 20 rupees. Yes, you can. Yes, we have orange juice.
Okay, let's find the correct response. How much is a cup of tea?
It's 20 rupees.
Can I have 2 tea buns?
Sorry, we have only egg buns.
Are there any cool drinks?
Yes, we have orange juice.
Can I order a packet of lunch?
Yes, you can.
You can see a beautiful cafeteria or a canteen there.
Of
Am I right?
course. Yes.
Yeah. Find the correct responses. Let's all together we'll find the correct response. Can you read the questions, Latika, and the statements?
Yes. May I come in? Can I help you? How long can I keep this book? I want to borrow this magazine. You have to pay a fine.
Okay, we'll see what are the responses. Okay, how much is it?
For 2 weeks.
Yes, you may.
Yes, I'm a new member. Sorry, it's for reference only.
Okay, we'll see what are the answers or the responses. May I come in?
Yes, you may.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm a new member.
How long can I keep this book?
For 2 weeks.
I want to borrow this magazine.
Sorry, it's for reference only.
You have to pay a fine.
Okay, how much is it?
Let's see the next slide. Choose the correct responses once again. Okay, Latika?
Yeah.
Here you can find 5 questions are there. We have to find the responses. What are the responses you can see here, Latika?
Yes, we can. 5 groups. Yes, 1 pair. Yes, we all have. Yes, it is sulfur.
Okay, children, let's find the correct response for each question. Okay, Latika, do you have the lab aprons?
Yes, we all have.
Do you have extra gloves?
Yes, 1 pair.
How many groups are there?
5 groups.
Do you know this chemical?
Yes, it's sulfur.
Can you see this test tube?
Yes, we can.
Let's move on to the next activity. Where can you find these? You can see some beautiful pictures on the board. So we'll see what are the places that we can find these things, or what are the places that you can see these nouns. Here it's a laboratory. What are the things that we can find from here, Latika?
We can find microscope, magnets, funnel, and beakers in a laboratory.
Yes. In a bank. Okay, let's see what we can find in a bank. Yes, Latika?
We can find the bank manager there
Yes.
and ATM machine,
Yeah.
counters
Yes.
and deposit slips.
Yes, we can find a bank manager, ATM, counters, deposit slip in a bank. Let's see what is the other place. A post office. Where can we find these things? In a post office, yes, Latika?
We can find the letterbox,
Yes.
telephone box,
Okay, telephone box,
envelopes and stamps,
stamps,
and
a
postman.
postman, yes. We can find these things and the people. Letter box, telephone box, envelopes and stamps, and also postman you can see, and the other things we can find in a post office. Okay, now we are going to do a little dialogue. So you have to listen it for us very carefully, children. There are two girls like y'all. Okay, we'll take the roles. Well, Latika, I'd like to be Nelo, and can you be Jiva?
Of course, I'll be Jiva then.
Okay. Hi, where are you going to play netball again?
I'm going to play netball tomorrow.
Oh, fine. I'll be there to see you.
Why wouldn't you like to play with us?
I don't know how to play.
Well, don't worry. I'll teach you.
Really? Thank you.
You are welcome.
Okay, children, we are going to read the dialogue once again. Hi, when are you going to play netball again, Latika?
I'm going to play tomorrow.
Oh, fine. I'll be there to see you.
Why wouldn't you like to play with us?
I don't know how to play.
Well, don't worry. I'll teach you.
Really? Thank you.
You are welcome.
Choose the relevant response from the box. Now we'll see this is a dialogue at an exhibition. Do we have to buy tickets? Well, I would like to buy some storybooks. Why? Fourth stall. Well, mother, I like stories of Mahadana Mutta and Sinbad. We'll see what are the responses. Can you read the responses, Latika?
Okay, let's go to the fourth stall. There you can find storybooks. No, this is free of charge. Let's hope you find them there.
Okay, let's find the answers. Do we have to buy tickets?
No, this is free of charge.
Well, I would like to buy some storybooks.
Okay, let's go to the fourth stall.
Why, fourth stall?
There you can find storybooks.
Well, mother, I like stories of Mahadana Mutta and Sinbad.
Let's hope you find them there.
Let's see what is the next activity. Choose the relevant response. This is a post office. So, at the post office. Can you read this, Latika?
Yes, this is a dialogue between a postal clerk and a student. We'll read it, children. Postal clerk. May I help you?
Yes, please. I need some stamps for these cards. Here you are.
Thank you.
Yes, there are 3 responses, children. So, you have to choose the correct response. Out of these 3 responses, you have to choose the correct response. May
Well-
I help you?
Yes, we'll read the responses as well. You can meet postmaster after 2 p.m. That's 5 rupees. Here your envelope.
Okay, we'll see what is the correct response. That's 5 rupees. Shall we read the dialogue again?
Yes, then I'll be postal clerk.
I'll be the student.
May I help you?
Yes, please. I need some stamps for these cards.
That's 5 rupees.
Here you are.
Thank you.
At the post office. Yes, there are two characters again, postal clerk and the student. Can I help you, miss? Yes, please. Here it is. Thank you. Here are the three responses. Can you read them, Latika?
Yes, I need a telegram form. I need some toffees. I would like to get the library membership.
We'll see what is the correct response. I need a telegram form. Yes, Latika, shall we read the dialogue?
Yes. Can I help you, miss?
Yes, please. I need a telegram form.
Here it is.
Thank you. We'll see the next mini dialogue. At the bank.
There is a dialogue between the customer and the officer. So, we are going to read it. Miss Krishanti is going to be customer and I'll be the officer.
Yes. May I come in?
Yes.
I want to open an account with your bank.
Very good. What kind of account do you want to open? Could you please fill in this form?
Yes, sure. These are the three responses. We'll see what are the correct responses. Shall we read it again, Latika?
Yes.
May I come in?
Yes, please.
I want to open an account with your bank.
Very good. What kind of account do you want to open?
A savings account?
Could you please fill in this form?
Yes, sure. Okay, children, let's go through this dialogue. This is a long dialogue between a student and a librarian. So you have to read this dialogue and find the relevant answers. But anyway, children, there are some answers here. So you have to find the correct answer from the list. Can you read those answers, Latika?
Yes. Madam, 10 days, library, help, borrow, form, set up, membership.
Right. Can you read the dialogue as well? Then we'll see what are the answers.
Excuse me, madam. Yes. How can I?
You.
Blank, you. I would like to get the library blank.
Okay. How can I help you? I would like to get the library membership. Help and membership. Yes, can you read this?
Yes, you have to fill in this and hand it over to me. Thank you. Are you familiar with the library?
Okay. Yes, you have to fill this form and hand it over to me. Thank you, madam. Are you familiar with the setup of the library?
No, this is the first time. I haven't been to the senior blank before. You can borrow 2 books and keep them with you for blank. Oh, it's great. After returning them, you can blank another 2. Thank you, madam.
Yes, we'll see what are the answers. No, this is the first time. I haven't been to the senior library before. Yes, you can borrow 2 books and keep them with you for 10 days. Oh, it's great. After returning, then you can borrow another 2. Thank you, madam. Let's read the dialogue and write the answers. Now you read the dialogue. Now you have to write the answers. We'll see, children, what are the questions. Excuse me.
Yes, madam. May I help you?
Yes, please. Do you have any party frocks?
Of course, madam. Let me show you.
Do you have this frock in size 12?
Yes. What's the color you want?
I want a pink.
Sorry, madam. We have only blue.
Okay. Can I have a look?
Yes, madam.
Oh, this is wonderful. How much is this?
Well, it's 1,800 rupees.
Do you take credit cards?
No, madam. Only cash.
Okay. Here you are.
Thank you, madam.
Well, children, now we'll see what are the questions. These are very simple questions. I'm sure you can find the answers easily. We'll see what are the answers.
How much is the frock?
1,800 rupees.
What is the color she prefers?
Pink.
What is the size of the frock she wants?
Size 12.
Did she use a credit card?
No. Okay, children. Today we discussed useful dialogues. I hope these dialogues will help you for your day-to-day activities. So, we thank all of you for being us to follow the English lesson today. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Goodbye, children.
Goodbye.